Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add codes in Google Authenticator. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and can see your main screen, you're ready to begin adding new codes to enhance your account security. Now, on your Google Authenticator app screen, look towards the bottom right part of your mobile screen. You'll see a plus button there. Go ahead and tap on this button. This is your gateway to adding new authentication codes for any app or service you want to secure with two-factor authentication. After tapping the plus button, you'll see two different options appear for adding authenticator codes to your apps. For this tutorial, select the option that says Enter a setup key. This method is particularly useful when you have a setup key provided by the service you're trying to secure, and it gives you more manual control over the process. Once you've selected Enter a setup key, you'll be presented with a form where you need to enter some information. The first field requires you to add in the 32-character key. This key comes directly from the app or service you wish to use Authenticator on. Make sure you enter this key carefully, as any mistakes will prevent the authentication from working properly. This key is essentially the secret code that links your Google Authenticator to that specific service. Next, you'll see a field where you need to add in a name for this account. This is simply a label that helps you identify which service this code belongs to when you're looking at your list of Authenticator codes. You can name it whatever makes sense to you, like the name of the app or service you're securing. Once you've entered both the 32-character setup key and chosen a name for the account, take a moment to double-check that everything is configured correctly. Make sure the key is entered without any typos and that the account name is clear and recognizable. Finally, press the Add button to complete the process. Your new authentication code will now appear in your Google Authenticator app, and you can use it whenever that service requires two-factor authentication. The code will refresh every 30 seconds, providing you with continuous security. And that's it. You've successfully added a new code to your Google Authenticator, making your accounts more secure with two-factor authentication. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.